Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a registration form to your Squarespace website. This is incredibly useful if you're hosting events, managing signups, or simply collecting visitor information in an organized way. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and head over to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but the process is straightforward and only takes a moment. Once you're logged in and on the Jotform homepage, look for the button that says Create Form and click on it. This will bring up several options for building your form from scratch or using pre-made templates. For this tutorial, we're going to use a template to save time. Click on Use Template and you'll see a wide variety of form templates designed for different purposes. Browse through the options and select one that best suits your website's needs. Maybe you're setting up an event registration, a contact form, or a membership signup. Whatever it is, find the template that fits and click Use Template again to confirm your choice. Now, just wait a moment while the template loads into the editor. Now that your template is loaded, you can customize it to match your exact requirements. You might want to add or remove fields, change the colors to match your brand, or adjust the wording to fit your tone. Take your time here to make sure everything looks exactly how you want it. Once you're satisfied with your edits, click Publish. This finalizes your form and makes it ready to be embedded on your site. After publishing, you'll see a menu on the left side of your screen. Click on Embed and you'll be presented with various embedding options. What you need here is the embed code, so go ahead and click Copy Code. This code is what will allow your form to appear on your Squarespace website. Now we're ready to switch over to Squarespace. Open your Squarespace site and click Edit to enter the editing mode. Navigate to the section of your page where you want the registration form to appear. Once you're there, click Add Block. This opens up a menu of different content blocks you can add to your page. From the block options, select Embed. This is the option that allows you to insert custom code into your Squarespace site. Once you've clicked Embed, you'll see a pencil icon appear. Click on it and then select Code Snippet from the options presented. Next, look for the field labeled Embed Data and paste the code you copied from Jotform directly into it. Make sure the entire code is pasted correctly without any missing characters. Before finalizing everything, click Preview in Safe Mode. This allows you to see how the form will look and function on your live site without actually publishing it yet. If everything looks good and the form is displaying correctly, go ahead and click Save, then click Exit to leave the editing mode. And there you have it. Your new registration form is now live on your Squarespace website, ready to collect information from your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.